Let's generate your first voice audio. This will take under a minute. Click any template to start. I'll pick podcast. Voice creates a project and drops you straight into the editor. You can see it's already filled in example dialogue with a host and a guest speaker. On the left, the speakers panel shows the voices assigned to each speaker. Voice automatically picked up the host and guest from the script and assigned default voices. You can change these anytime, but trust me, the defaults work fine for now. Check the engine selector in the top right. The fast engine is selected by default. It's bundled with the app and always ready. No download needed. Now click Generate Audio in the timeline area. Voice splits the script into segments and generates each one. You'll see clips appear on the timeline as they finish. The fast engine processes these in seconds, much faster than real time. Hit play. That's it. You're hearing your script as spoken audio. 2 voices, natural pacing, generated entirely on your machine. No credits charged, no audio uploaded anywhere. You can regenerate any segment as many times as you want. That's your first generation, from template to audio in under a minute. Next, we'll look at creating a project from scratch and organizing your content.